Hi children, good morning to one and all. This is Sudharani. Today in this class we are going to see the topic is food and digestion. Okay, in previous class we had discussed why should we eat food and what are the necessary for the food. Okay, we need energy. Okay, to do work or to do anything we need energy. So we should eat food. Okay, how we will use? What are the organisms helpful for eating food. Okay, here the main the main parts which are useful while eating food are teeth. Okay, when we burn we have no teeth. When we are growing up slowly at 7 months or 8 months, the teeth will start growing. Okay, if you observe a small kids, you can observe the first they will get the cutting teeth. Okay, later on so on, later they will get canyons. Later, after growing adults, they will get the molars and premolars. Okay, molars and premolars. The teeth which they got when they are in the 6 months, 7 months, they are called milky teeth. They are temporary. Milky teeth are temporary. Okay, milky teeth. These are temporary teeth. After growing to 6 years, 7 years, the milky teeth will fallen and they will get a permanent teeth. They will get a permanent teeth. With that teeth, they will bite, tear, okay, crush, grind, okay, well, okay, see. Here, these are the teeth for us. There are incisors. We have two jaws, upper jaw and lower jaw, okay. Upper jaw and lower jaw. In this upper and lower jaw, we have totally 32 teeth. When we are small kids, we have only 26 teeth. When we grow up, okay, and when we become an adult, we will get 32 teeth. Okay, in that 32 teeth, see, incisors are totally 8. In upper jaw 4, lower jaw 4. They are used to bite. Okay, they are used to bite. I gave you a banana or apple, what we will do? First you will bite and later you will chew it. Okay, for biting we will cut like this. Okay, they are incisors. Next, canines. Canines are 4 in upper jaw 2, lower jaw 2. Okay, they are called tearing teeth. Okay, to tear anything we use this side. If you observe a lion or a dog, they also have a tearing teeth like us. These are the tearing teeth. Okay, next. Again we have molars 12 and premolars. Okay. Premolars 8, molars 12. Okay, molar teeth are useful for crushing. Okay, molar teeth are useful for crushing. And premolar teeth are 8. They are useful for grinding. Means if we eat a food, what will happen automatically? The first we should take our food and we have to grind it well. Okay. Later we have to chew it. Otherwise, if we not chew it, if you swallow like that, what will happen? The digestion will not take place. So what we have to do? We have to digest. Okay. Chew it well with our chewing teeth. Okay. These are the parts in our teeth. Incisors 8, canines 4, molars 12, premolars 8. With the help of this teeth, we will chew our food and swallow. Next, see here the part of a teeth. If you observe a teeth, okay, when you get any toothache, what will happen? We will go to a doctor. The doctor who treat the teeth is called dentist. Okay, we call them as a dentist. To keep our teeth healthy, okay, what should we do? After early morning woke up, we have to brush our teeth. Next, before going to bed, we should brush our teeth well. Otherwise, what will happen if we eat any food? The food particles will stay between the gap between the teeth and they will become a blackish and they will damage our teeth. So we should wash our mouth well with the water after eating anything. Okay. Before daily we have to brush our teeth twice. Okay. These are the parts. See, enamel. The white color paint is here now in our teeth. This is called enamel. Okay. Dentin means the root and the roots. Pulp. It is inside the teeth. And crown means, see, here this shape is there no for our teeth. This is called crown. Okay, that is called crown. Okay. Here, what after eating anything, if any, after eating a chicken or if any pieces left over in your teeth, you have to wash the mouth well with water. If not, you have to, okay, with the help of your parents, you can clean the teeth with a toothpick or anything. Okay, next, what we have to do? We have to daily, okay, wash our mouth after eating anything. We have to consult our doctor daily, not daily, monthly once, because to see how our teeth are. Okay, don't bite hardly anything. Okay, don't bite hardly anything. It will damage to your teeth now. Okay, if you brush more and more, the coating, enamel coating present on your teeth will go and tooth decay will occur. For small children, if you observe, they are eating lot of chocolates and they will not wash their mouth. What will happen? The germs will develop in their teeth and toothache will occur. So we have to take care. We have to take care when we are eating anything. If we eat a sweet or anything, we have to wash our mouth well. Okay, we have to wash our mouth well with the water. Seema, again I am explaining. See, here we have 32 teeth. Okay, the teeth are incisors, canyons, molars and premolars. Okay, these teeth help us to chew the food, cut the food, okay, and bite the food, tear the flesh or tear the anything. With the help of this teeth, okay, with the help of this teeth we can eat. If there is no teeth, what will happen? They will have to drink only juices or any like that. For small children, there are no tooth. They will get a milky teeth which are temporary. Milky teeth are temporary. Okay. After getting milky teeth, what will happen? Slowly they will eat. The milky teeth will fall and they will get a permanent teeth. They will get a permanent teeth. When we are adult, we have only 26 teeth. When we grow up, we can get the premolars. Okay. We get the premolars. What are the function of the incisors? They help to cut the food. They help to cut the food. What is the function of canines? What is the function? The canines help us to tear the food. Okay, what is the function of molars? Molars help to crush the food. And what is, molars help to grind the food. Molars help to grind the food. And premolars help to crush the food. Okay, and it is the part of the teeth. When we cut the teeth in, when we get a toothache, where we went to, we will go to a doctor who treat the teeth. They are called dentists. Okay, what the dentist will advise? We have to brush the teeth twice a day. For early morning after woke up, we have to brush the teeth. Okay, before going to bed also, we have to brush our teeth. Okay, why we have to brush? Because if anything left over, what will happen? It will develop the germs and tooth decay will occur. So, to prevent that one, we have to brush the teeth. After eating your meal, morning or after tiffin or after drinking milk, what we have to do? We have to wash our mouth well with water. Okay, we have to wash our mouth well with water. Okay, see, the teeth help us to bite the food well and chew the food. Thank you.